What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Naturally Xandra. Today's video is going to be a whole new type of setup situation. But if you're new here to this channel, this is a channel where we get into natural hair, skincare, self-care, all that good stuff. But today's video is going to be hair care / hairstyling. So today's style is going to be a mystery style. I don't really know what to call it, but it's a style that I created personally. So if you see anybody else do this, make sure they give me credit. Naturally Xandra created this style. So we're gonna get right into the video. So let's check out my hair and see exactly what we're working with before I get to the voiceover part. So my hair has been sectioned off into 4 sections. And we're gonna see if this part back here is moisturized. Oh God. Oh God, no, no, no. Guys, this is not how my hair normally looks when I wash it and condition it and deep condition it and apply leave-in. Oh, no, 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 no. It feels moisturized though, but it's just not, no, this is not what we do here in Naturally Xandra. This is not what we do here. It's not looking good for your girl, but we're gonna continue nonetheless. So we're gonna section our hair off in this back section. We're gonna take this small of a section here. My hair does feel soft, guys, but it just feels not dry. It just feel like ain't no moisture. You know what I mean? Ain't no definition. Like, when do you ever see your girl Naturally Xandra? If you look back at any of my previous videos, your girl don't do no definition. I stay with the definition, but let's get into this video. We about to just detangle my hair and we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into this custom style. And I'm gonna slow it down for you guys so you can see exactly how I'm doing this. But it's just a regular braid. So we're gonna do a regular braid at the top. We're going to apply a little bit, only a little bit, because I don't know what's going on with my hair right now. So you take parts of your hair, 3 sections. Boom. So we got 3 sections. We're gonna braid it. You wanna braid your hair halfway. And then you're going to basically make sure it's detangled. So I just detangled, but I'm gonna detangle again. And then we're going to wrap the hair around itself. So that's what I'm doing, wrapping it around itself. Roundy run, roundy go, they get around. Round and round they go when they come around. Round and round. Y'all know what I mean. So I'm wrapping it around, wrapping around, wrapping around, making sure the end's detangled by just gently pressing it. And boom! Boom! We got the first one. So we're going to the next section. So you guys see me do one. Now I'm about to do all of them, right? So I'm gonna fast forward this and we're gonna complete my hair. I'm gonna jam out to some tunes. So if you see me acting crazy, that's why. And yeah, we're gonna see exactly how this style is doing. I'm gonna come back when I'm done styling. I hope this come out good, guys. guys think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Comment down below if you like the creativity I did with this. This is called the Braid N Knot. So if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned to the other video that I'm having after this, which is going to be my knotless hairstyle, knotless braids hairstyle. It will be my first time doing it. And yeah, I'm curious to see how it's going to come out, guys. I think it's going to come out good. But if you want to see any playlists, more of natural hair tutorials, I'll have that linked either here or here for your viewing pleasure. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.